Looking for a powerhouse blender that won't let you down? I've rounded up Amazon's top 5 best-selling countertop blenders and ranked them so you can decide which one belongs on your kitchen counter. All product links are waiting for you in the video description. Check them out now, and again at the end. Number 5. Magic Bullet Blender, 11-piece set. If you're short on space or just want quick single-serve smoothies, the Magic Bullet is the tiny titan. A 250-watt motor blitzes fruit, veggies, and even coffee beans, and the cups double as grab-and-go tumblers. Simple, fast, and usually under $50. Number 4. NutriBullet Baby, 18-piece system. Parents, this one's for you. The NutriBullet Baby purees produce in seconds, pours neatly into date-dial storage cups, and all parts are BPA-free. Perfect for fresh baby food on demand and way cheaper than store-bought jars. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher, Model 58148A. Budget-friendly but feature-packed. A 700-watt motor plus 12 blending functions tackle icy drinks, salsa, or milkshakes. The patented wave action system pulls ingredients down for chunk-free results, and the 40-oz glass jar is dishwasher safe. Number 2. Ninja Professional BL610, Power Meets Capacity. With 1,000 watts and Ninja's total crushing blades, this blender pulverizes ice into snow in seconds. A 72-oz pitcher handles family-sized batches of frozen margaritas or meal prep smoothies, and everything except the base is dishwasher safe. Number 1. Ninja BN701 Professional Plus, the upgraded champ. You get a beefier 400-watt motor, a redesigned blade stack for faster, finer blending, and 3 Auto IQ preset programs that time and pulse automatically. It's basically the BL610 on steroids, but still at a mid-range price point. There you have it, 5 blenders topping Amazon's charts right now. Ready to blend better? Hit the links in the description for today's prices, deals, and full specs. If one of these beasts lands on your countertop, let me know in the comments. Happy blending!